do you think in these 3 years, as you are extensively traveled, what do you think has been your greatest achievement? Because people feel very connected with you. I said that you have been people's governor. The kind of places you have visited, the kind of people you have met.
So
I can see Damodar Mausa book right now on your table. What has been the greatest achievement?
achievements, my schemes,
Hmm.
my schemes. Even my royalty amount, final decision, royalty amount I have given for a scheme. That scheme is Annadan. That Annadan scheme. I have given 1,30,000 rupees for that. Additional also I am giving for 3 months. Another scheme is there. Every day Rajbhavan is giving 100 poor people 2-time food. And another is that Kavi arts disappeared from the state. Now revived. 4 days camp was there. And that my fund and other funds we use for the purpose of more than 3,000 cancer and dialysis patient, 25,000 each giving, going to their doorsteps and giving. This may not be given much publicity by anybody because
But it's a huge work.
positive thing. This is a big building and every.
Yes.
So here for entering the public, if governor is staying here, we can't allow because security and other.
Yes.
So I am staying in an ordinary house during the last 2 years. So people's, they are supreme and I will always accept that. And Naga and Mizoram also same thing. When I was my first day, you see, they boycotted the swearing. At that time opposition party was Congress there. They stated that Mizoram may not be allowed to be a dumping place of Hindu fundamentalists. But when I bid farewell from there about 23 months, and same opposition leader stated that he's the best lawyer, best governor ever seen by me. It's an asset, and that type of things are there. So we can change the people.